Good day guys, and you're welcome back again to our channel. Right, in this video we want to talk about the BECEXY listing update on CEX.io. Okay, so just as you are waiting for the airdrop fulfillment application to actually complete, there's another update recently that you actually need to know, which is very important. All right, so let's head over to the official BECEXY channel. All right, so on the BECEXY official channel, it's actually started from wallet address update feature. Okay, so if you can check from here, you can see that it says updating your wallet or Telegram ID is not mandatory. For the drop, it's totally optional, only if you actually need to change your info. For example, you got a new wallet or linked the wrong Telegram ID. Okay, so you must not update your Telegram ID or your wallet if you've actually connected them, but you still have the opportunity to change them if you want to change your wallet. For example, if you use Phantom, you need to change to Softly or Wigwam and the likes. So you actually can change, okay? Or if you connected the wrong Telegram ID, so you have the opportunity to actually change this. All right, I hope that is clear. Now the feature is now working as intended, so you can update your details yourself following the instructions at the link. Now, if you run into any issue, feel free to reach out to support. So that's not the main place I want to go. All right, so if you're on the channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on our notification to get all the latest updates. Now it says here is very important, so pay attention to this place. Submit request. The submit request button appears after you pass pre-qualification, and you can submit it at this stage. It's fully safe to do so. You can also submit your request later, but make sure to send it before the progress bar reaches 100%. Otherwise, you won't be able to receive your drop. So let's go back to see what this submit request is actually telling us. Now, before now, you know that you have to submit your Telegram ID as well as your wallet before you are able to get to this place, right? And also you need to get the code, which is also very important. A lot of people have not been able to get the code. I've been dropping the code severally, virtually every day in our Telegram group. Okay, so you can just join the link in the video description. You can see as I drop every day here to get the code as soon as possible. So you just have to be active to get it. All right, so it says, so once you get the code, then there's an option that is down here, which is submit request. Okay, so but before then, you must have gotten the code, use the right code before you get there. So once that is done, you've gotten the code, then you are going to click on submit request here. In place of a door here, it's going to be submit request. You have to click it. So you can do that at any point in time until this progress bar is fulfilled. Okay, so you make sure that you click on submit request before this reaches 100%. Currently it's at 76%. Okay, before you click submit request. Otherwise, if the progress bar is completed till 100%, you are not going to be eligible for the drop. So this is what they said here. Okay, so is that simple? All right, so this is the latest about the BECEXY, and I hope it is useful. Don't forget to stay with us as we're giving you all the latest updates. See you in the next one.